This video will discuss how to ship an order. First thing we need to do is create a sales pick list. You can do that either by navigating to the sales order list open, find the open sales order you would like to print a pick list, right click, print pick list. Notice that screen will be exactly the same screen. If I were to go to sales, reports, backlog, hunt down the criteria with the start date or schedule date, right click, pack list. Once I click print, this document will appear, and I will use this to actually pick the parts that I need to ship. I have the order number, I have the item number. This is a reference to that item number on that sales order, which we'll use in a few minutes. Then I would navigate to issue to shipping. I would scan this number. Okay. And if I had multiple lines, I could scan this barcode to get the right number that I'm working on. Okay, or of course I could just highlight it and issue to shipping, but if I use that one and scan that, oops, let's try that again. Then you would click issue, which is the same way if I'd highlighted the line. Now notice the screen has two options on here. I'm going to have locations with quantities and tagline. If I click locations with quantities, it only brings in the serial numbers for this item number that have a location. If I click the taglines, that's what I've actually issued to this shipment. So what I want to do is take the product, get the barcode, navigate to this field here. I would then scan the barcode on the product. He would find it and tag it and issue this to that line. I would then take my next one that I'm going to ship to the customer and click the same thing. Now both of those have been issued to this order. I'd click post, and then I can actually save this and get out, or I can issue more if I had more lines, or I can return to stock. And return to stock will take off those two serial numbers to there. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to come back and ship it at a later date. So now I go back and hit the ship button. I then find the order that I wanted to ship. It has a shipment number associated with it. I then assume that I'm going to ship two of them. I verify the freight. I can put that in. I can then pick the actual shipping method. I would then put the tracking number or scan the tracking number if I had a barcode to scan it. I then click ship. And I'm going to print this to here so we can look at it. So I'm printing the packing list. And the packing list is the actual contents of what I shipped. And I then see, whoops, excuse me. I then see that I have the same item number, I have the serial numbers, I have this barcode for this item number, and this would go in the box shipping it to the customer. Then I'm ready, and this item has actually been shipped at this point. Inventory's been relieved. I then click close. And then just to complete the cycle, I can go to tab for the sales order. I can click post the invoice. There's the invoice. I can right click on it. I can click print and then post. That concludes how to ship product using the issue to shipping and the ship screen.